Do you want to migrate your data from Zimbra to Outlook? Okay, then you must perform the TGZ to PST conversion. You can use the Regain Zimbra to PST Converter for an easier conversion. To download this software, first go to Google and search for Regain Zimbra to PST Converter. Open the first web page. Click on the free download button and simply download the software on your device. Once the software is downloaded, double-click on the exe file to start the installation process. No worries. The installation process of this software is too easy. You just need to follow a few on-screen prompts, and that's it. Once the software is installed, double-click to run it on your device. Now, at the top left corner, click on the Add Files button. Again, click on the Add File option and select the TGZ file from your local computer. After that, you will get a preview of all your available folders. Select folders as per your needs and click on the Export button. Here, in this Export Options window, select Save to PST. You can also choose any other formats as per your needs. Afterwards, click on Browse, and specify a destination path on your local device, where you want to save the output PST file. Finally, click on the Save Data button. As a result, the Zimbra TGZ file will be instantly converted into PST and saved on your local device. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.